Yo guys, what's up? And I'm back again with another video. Now the first thing you probably noticed about this channel now, it's got from previous tutorials to my name, Ameri. Now you're probably wondering why I've done that. Now I've done that because branding yourself is the best kind of marketing. Now if you also read the title of this video, it is how to market yourself for free and the best kind of strategies to market yourself. It is 5 strategies that I highly recommend for people to use when they're starting out their business, trying to brand themselves, creating a shop online or whatever. These are the best ways to create traffic to yourself. Traffic is people coming onto your business or looking at your videos or whatever. Viewers, pretty much. Okay, way number 1, or like task number 1 for you to start marketing yourself is like give out your services for free. Now when you're starting out, you cannot be taxing people or pretty much asking people to pay £100 for something. If you're of course there are some ways where you are not able to service give out your services for free if you're like a mechanic, because stuff like that costs a lot of money. Now if you're a person that, for example, wants to you are a ghostwriter for blogs. Now what is a ghostwriter? A ghostwriter is a person that does all the work behind the scenes and someone else is the face of the work. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Because people, for example, in songs, all the artists that you like, all the artists that you love, they all have ghostwriters. Those are the people that write the lyrics for the artist to sing, whether to rap it, whether to vocalize it. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So the best way to give out your services for free, and the first way to market yourself is to give out your services for free. So if you're a blogger or a person that wants to do ghostwriting for a blogger, give out your service for free. Tell them, I'm willing to give you I'm willing to write for you 2 articles for free, and then after that we can negotiate a contract. Stuff along the lines. If you're a person that wants to, if you're a person that's just come out of university and you want to go into a job, you can't say pay me 30,000 instantly. You just came out of university, you cannot be asking, you're not in a position to ask for money. So the best way you do it, you go to them, say, I'm willing to do a 90-day trial. I'm willing to be a 90-day trial for free. I'll work for you for free for 90 days. And if you like me or not, I will join. If you don't like me, I won't join. That's the best kind of way. It's a way to show that you're, not only do you believe in yourself, but it's also a way to create a name for yourself in a sense. Yes, working for someone else for 90 days is not you creating your name for yourself, but it's also creating your own career. Alright, now way number 2, or task number 2 to market yourself is do a joint venture with other people. Now what do I mean by this? Pretty much what I mean by this is that you need to pretty much network yourself. Okay, make yourself known within your industry. Alright, if you're a person that wants to create a search engine, market yourself with other search engine open source websites. Now what is an open source website? I'm not going to get too much too into detail with it, but open source is related to computer science, where it is programming, pretty much making a website. And this open source is when everyone around the whole world can access it for free without having to pay for it, and you can change the code for it. But that's what I'm pretty much trying to say, is that do a joint venture with other people. Okay, you need to be able to join other people's adventures, learn from other people, show your face on other people's platforms. Now we will go into the other people's platforms thing soon, but join yourself, or get into business with someone else that is already in the business. Don't say don't go to your friends and say let's make a business. That's not called a joint venture. Joint venture is that you want to bring someone in or work with someone to learn from them, to create a name for yourself, because they already have a name for yourself. So you're sort of kind of using them, but to also benefit them and to benefit yourself, because you're not using them for your own gain. In total, you're also helping them with your expertise. Okay, that is the best way. Okay, go into a joint venture with other people. All right. Now, way number 3. Okay, this is the best way. It is the best way. Okay, it's what I do as well. Content marketing. It is the best way. It is in the name, content marketing. Okay, what is content marketing if you don't know what the terms mean? Content, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, I don't know, any platform that you're able to create content on, and then you're also able to make videos. Like for example, for me, right, I'm gonna start my own blog soon. Okay, I'm going to start my own blog soon. So how am I gonna content market that? I'm gonna put out videos about my blogs. I'm gonna create videos that I'm also able to put on my blog as a link. I'm going to create short 30 60-minute video 30 second 60-second videos on TikTok speaking about my blog, who I am, what I do, that sort of stuff. Okay, so all content marketing should be your go-to. That is the first way to get yourself off the ground. Okay, and people always say to me, but I don't know what kind of content to make. Just make it, please. Just make the content. Okay, don't sit for days, on weeks, on months, on years thinking of what content to make. Okay, you will never get anywhere without doing something about what your idea is. Okay, you won't get anywhere without just starting. Okay, because not only have you not even lifted your feet off the ground, you're static, you're not moving. Okay, so it's just such a generic advice to give someone, just do it. It's such a generic thing to say, but it is the best advice for content creating. Okay, just do what you like. Okay, but one thing I've also learned is that you can never always do what you like. Okay, once you've started and you've gotten your feet off the ground and you've built an audience and you've built everything else, then you can do something that you like. You can move over to it or go here and there between something that you like and something that you have to do. Okay, you can never accommodate for everybody. It is impossible. Okay, so for content marketing, you need to always create or find a niche that is not necessarily suitable for you, but what is currently ongoing in the market, in the YouTube. So for example, if one day I am, writing blogs, and one day it is trending, the next day it could be, I don't know, doing video games, for example. You can never stay in one niche. You can never start with the best niche for you. You're going to start you're always going to start with a niche that I genuinely feel like you should do. Always start with a niche that is suitable for everyone else. Okay, that is what needs to be done. Always have a post-conventional morality. Okay, never have a conventional, post-conventional. Okay, now way number 4 is send out a pitch video. Okay, now what is a pitch video? Pitch video is, if you watch the sharks, all these investors, you pretty much stand, put a camera in front of you, click the record button and speak. What are your expertise? Okay, what can you bring to the table for someone that may employ you, or someone that may take your user services? How, who are you? Where did you learn your stuff from? What do you aspire to what do you aspire to do with the current services that you're providing? Why does this matter to you? Okay, so I feel like you always need to sell yourself to get anything. Okay, you always need to sell yourself, always. All right, so how do you send out a pitch video? So there's a reason why I put content marketing before to send out a pitch video, because in my previous videos, if you've watched them, I've told you guys use MailerLite to create an email list. Now, start, for example, this is what I would do if I was you. If it's just an idea, create a blog, make content, content marketing on it. So create TikTok videos, create YouTube videos. Now your videos, put them as a base for your blogs, in a sense that use them as a topic for your blogs. Now after you've done that, after you've collected an email list, create a video, just a pitch video, whether it is 10 people, 20 people, even before you don't even need to use an email list. Create a pitch video and put it on YouTube. Okay, but if you have an email list worth of people, with people in it, create that pitch video and then put it on the email list, send out the email, and let people just pretty much come in and see, yes, this person is worthy of my time, this person can help me out. And what you can also do is that when someone signs up to your email list, they can be sent a video within half an hour, just like I showed you guys on MailerLite. Within half an hour, they can be sent a video or an email containing a video about who you are, what you want to do, in a sense, what are you gonna, what are your services, and how you can benefit other people. Okay, so sending out a pitch video is a great way to tell others, hey, listen, I'm here, I can do this, I can help you doing this, I'm qualified to do this because of this and this and this and this. Okay, so send out a pitch video, during your content marketing or with your content marketing. Okay. Now, last but not least, be a guest on other people's platforms. Okay. Now, don't get it twisted. Don't just go and find people, use them and leave. No, I strongly disagree with that. I feel like if you're a type of person that goes, uses something, for example, if you find someone that's very wealthy, for example, and you're a person that's that's hanging on in life, whatever, you become friends with them, you take their money, and then you walk away and forget about them. No, that is not what this way of doing it is meant to be. Okay, being a guest on other people's platforms, that making friends, networking with a friend. If they have a blog, if they have a YouTube channel, if they have a podcast, if they have a live stream, go on there. Okay, you can network with people. Go on there, ask to be on there, and then tell them yes. Also, can I please say, my services? Can I put my email in there for people to speak? And of course, if they say no, they say no. You can never ever please everybody, and you can never get your way in every single situation. It is practically impossible. There are 8 billion people in this world. If you try to get your way in every situation, I'm telling you now, you will lose. It is fact. You will lose in every single situation if you feel like you have to become the best and get your way in every single situation. And plus, the biggest thing is that you will not be liked. So what I mean by be a guest on other people's platforms, go network with somebody, network with a bunch of people, put out a pitch video, okay? Becomes friends with people that may benefit you, and also find a way to benefit them. Because no one's gonna just become friends with you if they feel like, oh nah, I don't really like them because they can never essentially benefit me. Because people always mistake being able to benefit someone with saying, oh, they don't give me money, they don't bring me enough money, they don't do this and this and this. No, benefiting someone can be something as like, oh, if I go in hospital, I know they'll be there. If my mom needs help, I know they'll be there. That's what benefiting someone is. Some people may have this little twisted mindset where when someone says, oh, you don't benefit me, it means, oh, I'm only your friend because you bring something to the table such as money. No, that is not what it means. Of course, some people will think otherwise, but the way to think about it is bringing benefit to other people is you being there for them when they need help, providing them with your own. So if you're qualified with something like, if you're a computer scientist, for example, and they need to create a website, you can create a website for them. It doesn't have to be for an amount of money. It could be for value to strengthen your friendship. And in that way, if they also have a podcast for themselves, go on that podcast and say, listen, I have, I give out these services on my email, on my website, sorry. The first 10 people can be the first free subscribers to that website, in a sense that, okay, if you subscribe on that website, the first 10 people can get a free service from me or whatever. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Okay, so always try to be on other people's platforms. Don't say, yeah, I'm gonna be on your platform, and if they say no, you say, no, I'm gonna be there. No, take it easy, create a friendship. Always, networking is the number one way. Networking is your net worth. Networking is your net worth, not the money you have in your bank. Networking is your net worth. Because if you have £0 in your bank, but you know Bill Gates, you know Jeff Bezos, you know Elon Musk, you're the rich one, because the knowledge you're getting is ridiculous from Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and Bill Gates. Come on, even if you have £1,000, they will create you £10,000 in a day, in a sense that you know how to make that £10,000 in a day. Okay, please just understand these ways and tasks and ways of marketing yourself, and use them. Okay. Now look, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this video has helped you out a lot. I know it's been a long one, but I really needed to emphasize a few stuff about how to market yourself, how you can use those kind of things to bring to network, and why you guys should do it. Okay, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please do get like, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell to be notified whenever I upload. And like I said before, this channel moved from previous tutorials to Ali and Ameri because I want to market myself. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. I've been Ali and Ameri. Peace.